Hi guys, let's look at VBA, that is Visual Basic for Application, using Microsoft Access. So if you can look at this program, you'll notice that there are some functionalities that must be invoked using Visual Basic for Application or a bit of some coding. Like if I go to this one here, you see there is this message, confirm if you want to exit, but if I exit again the system goes. So there are some Visual Basic for Application codes that you need to know. So today I'll be showing you how you can use Visual Basic for Application in Microsoft Access. So guys, we launch Access, we launch Microsoft Access for that case. Then I'll be showing you a bit of tips. So we create a blank database. So you can just call our database. Just first of all, save it in our desktop. We change to desktop. Then save it as VBA tutorial 1. Then you click on OK. Then create. So after having done that, most of the VBA is done in forms. So we go to create, then we go to form design. This is our form. So the first thing I'll show you is how to apply. Like now, if first of all I apply some color so that you can be in a position to see what I'm doing. If I view this form, sometimes it may not be full screen or maximized, so you can do that by use of VBA. So you right click, go to design view, then you click on this point, double click this point, it launches the property sheet. This is the property sheet, guys. So in the property sheet here, you need to go to event. Remember, you are doing coding, so or Visual Basic for Application. So here I want to use on road. What happens when this form loads? So I go to event procedure, then I hit these 3 dots. It will take me to code window, that is Microsoft Visual Basic for Application. Guys, you can see that. So here, what happens when my form loads? I want it maximized. So we start by saying do command, do cmd dot, then you choose the action. So I need my form to be maximized always whenever I do that. So that is the simple code for that. So after doing that, you can just call our form main form, then you click on OK, then hit this access button. It takes you back to Microsoft Access. So you go home, view. So you see guys, this form of mine will always be maximized because I set that event. So the next thing, if you want to add a header here and footer, you right click, you go to form header and footer. So you can see now I have the form header and the form footer. So if I run my form, you see it is different now because it has header and footer. So if I need to display something here, that when the form loads, there is something that probably is disclosed or hidden. First of all, we can just start by showing you how to hide ribbon, to unhide ribbon. This is the ribbon, this part. If I run my form, you realize that ribbon is visible. So sometimes I need it hidden. So what do I do? I need to go to, I right click, go to design view, then I can add a button. We have this button here, but I opt to use toggle button because it has no code in the background. So I click on toggle button, I draw my first toggle, I also again draw my second toggle box. Then we can just give them different color, go to format, shape outline, so I can just give them green color. Then I make them wider. So the first one, I type hide ribbon, hide ribbon, Then the second one will be unhide ribbon. So here guys, I'll use VBA. You can change the font size of the text to red or white, something that will be vivid. So I need to use Visual Basic for application to code in that when I click on this button, it hides the whole of ribbon. When I click the cursor button, it unhides. So you can use Visual Basic for application to do that. So I go to design view, then I click on the button I want, then I click on property sheet. On property sheet here, I click on event, then on click. What happens when I click? You choose event procedure and hit the three dots. So what happens guys here is that we have agreed you start by do CMD. So do CMD dot show. You choose show toolbar, then you type the toolbar name in quotes. Our toolbar name is ribbon. Then here you put a comma and choose no. You want to hide the ribbon. So to unhide the ribbon, I will use yes here. So here you can use a comment. You can use an apostrophe. So this is called to hide ribbon. There we are. The comment turns into green. It is non-executable. So I can just copy this to make my work easier. Control C. So I zoom out, then save and click the access button. Guys, then we type the code for unhide. So I click on unhide. I assume this is crossed. Then you click property sheet, then event. On click, what happens? So I click the three dots, and now I paste my code above there. So I just change no to yes here. I don't need to write it. But here, this is to display or unhide. This is the code to display ribbon. There we are. So I save it guys, then click on save, zoom out, then click on this. So if I go and view my stuff here, I click hide ribbon. See for yourself guys, the code is working. It has hidden my ribbon. Unhide, it unhides. So that is also a tip in Microsoft Visual Basic for application. So again, when you're talking about buttons, you have seen I can go to event. You usually have on click and also on double click and the other features, but I will only be taking you through the most important features that I feel will help you to develop a full application. You don't need to know everything in programming for you to come up with an application, but they are the basic tips. So on the other hand, sometimes you may opt to create a button. So in most cases I'll be using toggle button because it doesn't have a code in the background. So if I draw a button like this, then I just say show, that is show or display display stroke hide ribbon. Okay guys, you may opt to use one button as an expert programmer rather than using two buttons. So I will apply the first event click. When I click, it hides the ribbon. When I double click, it unhides the ribbon. So what you need to do here, you go to this button, then go to property sheet. I go to this point here. So we have on click. I choose the event, hit the three dots. So on click event, I expect it to hide the ribbon. So this code is to hide the ribbon. This is on click. You can just write this is on single click. What happens? So what happens here guys is that the ribbon is hidden. Then we save that, zoom out, go to access, then go to the next rule now. On double click, the second one. Here on double click, what happens? So I paste the same code, but this time around, when you double click, it unhides. So this is on double click. On double click, what happens? On double click, what happens? So when you double click, it will unhide the ribbon. So as a programmer, as an advanced expert, you can use one button to accomplish two tasks. You are killing one bird with two birds with one stone. So see for yourself. You see, this button is acting as hide ribbon and unhide just by clicking and double clicking. So for that case, you have used VBA to accomplish one task. So I can delete this. I can also delete this. Then the next thing, guys, you can also opt to have a cross button that when you click, it prompts you to whether to cross or not. If you deny by clicking on no, you are retained in the same form. When you click on yes, it exits. So you can use VBA to create a cross button. So you use the have used toggle button. I like using toggle button. The reason is it will not have a code generated in the background. So guys, here this is the code for that case. So this is the code. You can copy it from my description. So I copy this. This is the code for that case. So I cross that. Then you click on the cross button, go to form design, then property sheet. On click event, what happens? You choose event procedure, hit the three dots, then paste the code. So guys, this is the code. You can get the code just from my description. It is free of charge. So what happens? The code here will bring a message box, confirm if you want to exit. Then if yes, this is the title. Here you just customize. Like now, if you have a system called poultry management system, you just type your code there. The code is free of charge. So the rest remains the same. Don't forget, I have pasted it between private and headsub. So this is the code for cross button. So I save it. Then zoom out, go to my access, so run it. So guys, see for yourself what will happen. It will bring the title poultry management system. Confirm you want to exit. No, I'm retained there. Confirm you want to exit. Yes, it goes. So you can just get that code, the VBA code for cross button, and customize it as I have shown you there. Then the next thing, guys, you may opt to initialize a message by clicking a button. Like for example, if I just go this point here, take a toggle button, then draw one toggle, I can copy paste. So I have three buttons. This is Monday. Then this is Tuesday. This is Wednesday. So guys, you can change these ones to fit your favorite color. The favorite color is black. Then I just hit color white. I like that. So I have three buttons, yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So guys, I want, when I click on Monday, a label here says Monday. When I click on Tuesday. When I click on Wednesday. This one will be accompanied by a message box. When I click on Monday, it says today is on Monday and displays Monday. So I needed to go to form design and take a label. A label is AA, capital A, small a. So guys, I just draw it here. Then put some space, press space bar so that the label will not disappear. Otherwise, it will disappear. Then go to format. You can assign the text you want there. I want text in green and should be size 18 and bold. Then remember, guys, you have to press space bar so that the label will not disappear. The next thing is to know the name of the label by going to design property sheet. Our label is called label 18. You can click on or, then scroll upwards, copy this. So our label is label 8. So guys, I go to Monday, go to event, then on click, I choose event procedure, hit the three dots. Then here, I need to type that rebel 8 dot caption, that is the text to be displayed, equals to Monday. It equals today is Monday. Today is Monday. Like that, guys. But before now this comes, when I hit the button, I should get a message box. So we write MSG box, then you put quotes. It says today is on Monday. Today is on Monday. Then you can proceed by putting a comma. VB information, that will put information icon plus VB okay only, or okay cancel, okay only, then comma, you put the title. The title is Monday. Then that is it. So guys, look at that. This one is a message box. So if I save that one and then I zoom out, go to access, then save and run, see for yourself, guys. When I click on Monday, it says today is on Monday. When I click OK, it writes today is on Monday. So when you click on Tuesday, it should say, bring the message today is on Tuesday and displays today is on Tuesday. So you go to that. So I go to Tuesday. Then once I go to Tuesday, I go to event procedure, hit the 3 dots. So I just need to copy this. A sharp programmer should not get tired. So just need to copy this, paste it there. But up here, I write a comment that is called for Tuesday. Tuesday. So here, guys, I change Monday to Tuesday. Then this becomes Tuesday. So today is on Tuesday. There we are. So I save that. Then let's zoom out. Then go to this stuff. So we click on Tuesday. It says today is on Tuesday and displays today is on Tuesday. So I click here, today is on Monday, today is on Monday. So for the Wednesday, guys, you do the same. Then you can also need to have something. Right now, if I have something here, when I click on Monday, today is on Monday, it can hide the text box for Tuesday. So I can just come here. Let me say I have text box. Text box is this AA. So you have one text box 1. This one. This is text box 1. We call it Monday. Then save. So this is called Monday. There is another text box called Tuesday. So click on this one, change this one to Tuesday, save it. Then we also have another text box for Wednesday. Remove the label. This is Wednesday. So I save. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So guys, I want a solution whereby when I click on Monday, it hides Tuesday and Wednesday, means Monday. When I click on Tuesday, hides Wednesday and Monday, and then Tuesday is left. So you can also accomplish that using VBA. So first of all, I give them different colors for identification. So that is for Monday. This one is for Tuesday. This one is for Wednesday. So guys, if you look at here, you can see their names. So when I click on Monday, I go to Monday, event procedure, hit the 3 dots. So I go to where the code is. The code is here for Monday. This is code for Monday. So I want to add something here that Wednesday.visible equals to false. So that one will hide Wednesday. Then Tuesday.visible equals to false. So for Monday, I will not expect to see Wednesday and Tuesday. And then for Tuesday, we shall have Wednesday.visible equals to false. We shall be hiding Wednesday, and also we shall be hiding Monday.visible equals to false. So you can see how I'm using the logic to make sure that computer understands that. So guys, if I save and go to this point, then home, run, you see now, first of all, when the form is loading, it should hide this. This one will only appear when I click the button. So we can also accomplish that by going to form, hit this point, then it brings the form, then you go to on road, hit the 3 dots. So on form, this is the code. On form road, Monday dot visible should be false, should be equals to false. Tuesday dot visible should be equal to false. That is when the system loads, nothing should be shown. Then we have Wednesday dot visible should be equal to false. That means when the form loads, none of them will be visible. So I save, zoom out, then go to my stuff and then run home. You see now, when the form loads, everything is hidden. But when I click on Monday, today is on Monday, it should display Monday here. Tuesday, it should display Tuesday here. So we go back to the code and then do a bit of modification. So we go to Monday, hit the 3 dots. So when we are on Monday here, then we shall have to have Monday dot visible equals to true. That is the logic behind VBA. True. So when we got the others will be false, but Monday will be true. Then here we shall also have that Tuesday dot visible equals to true. So now guys, we are okay, but we have not coded for Wednesday. So if now I run, I save and run, I run. So guys, you can see if I click on Monday, today is on Monday, it displays Monday. Tuesday, you see it displays Tuesday. For Wednesday, we have not coded. So those are some of the tips, the important tips that you should apply in VBA so that you can be in a position to become an expert in Microsoft Access. Then lastly guys, we can look at that is input box function, very important. So if I draw a button, I like using toggle buttons. So if I draw a button here, then type click me to calculate your age. So this is the button I have. Just give it some color, then change that one to vivid color like black and some big or larger text. So guys, this is the button I have. You see the button is not doing anything, but now I want to use an input box to ask the user to, or prompt the user to enter something like a variable. So you go to the button, go to property sheet, go to event on click event. On click event, what happens? So guys, we have our code here. So first of all, we started by declaring variables. Remember, a variable is a memory location that may handle or contain a value. So we use the word dim, dimension, dim, like now, dim age as double. Then you can also have dim year of birth as integer, that is a number, integer, as integer. Then from there, we can just come to this point and say year of birth equals to input box. The input box here is enter your year of birth, year of birth. Enter the year of birth. Then we shall have two brackets because here we need to have var. Var is a key name to convert string or text to number. So the next thing is that age equals to 2023 minus year of birth. Then we shall have VBA or Microsoft Access flagging our age. So we use a message box, your current age is, your current age is, then you put an ampersand age. That is it. Then for example, from there, because you have not used any other function, you can terminate it there. So guys, here you can just have a comment that this is input box function. Input box function. So I save that, zoom out, then go to Microsoft Access, then run. So guys, when I click here, you see it will ask me enter your year of birth. Let me say I was born in 1992. So it will say your current age is 31. That is how VBA works. So guys, that is a bit of Visual Basic for application using Microsoft Forms. For more complex tutorials or for advanced tutorials, just hit the link below this video. You'll be in a position to see my advanced VBA in Microsoft Access, where I have done several projects that can guide you. So guys, remember to subscribe if you haven't done so. Also remember to share these videos with your friend. Guys, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next sessions.